They thought that was it. Boss Slim, 6 shot. Let's get it, baby. Let's ride.
What's good? It's your boy Young 6 shot, Boss Slim. Just get done with the gym, man. Look, words of wisdom of the day is I guess you could say, like, watching people, man. People sometimes, other people could be your own problems, man. Like, your biggest problems is other people, other folks interfering with your life, man, and what you're doing and coming in your day, making problems of your day. For the most part, in my life, I focus on me. I create a plan and I stick to it no matter what I gotta do. If somebody comes in my life and they ain't on the same track as me in mindset, and they ain't got the same focus as me, my focus is not on them no more. Like, you come in my life and you got all these problems, you got all these complaints, you just angry at the world, you trying to bring me down with you. I'm not going, you know what I'm saying? Like, you not a factor in my life no more. Like, you gotta add and subtract people like that, the snap of a finger, man. You gotta be able to say, you know what, you ain't good for me, you ain't what I need in my life. It's like a recipe for success, or anything you do in life. You got a recipe for, you got instructions for it. So if this person that just came in your life or been in your life all of a sudden don't fit that recipe, then guess what? They out of the equation. You know what I'm saying? They have to be. You know what I'm saying? Because they started to become, their problems started to become your problems, their flaws started to become your flaws, and you automatically set back by them. And if they weren't in the picture, you would have been on point. You would have been here, you would have been there, you would have accomplished this, you would have had great days, you would have been feeling good all the time, you would have had stuff to look forward to. But since you got this negative leech, this energy draining person in your life that's always or just bringing this bad energy around you, you know what I'm saying, it's affecting you. You got to be the person to stand up and say, hey man, look, I gotta go my own way, man. I don't know what you want, but you ain't for me, man. You gotta move around. You know what I'm saying? I gotta go my own way. I'm going north, you going south, cool. Have a nice life, you know what I'm saying? Because at the end of your life, you gotta be satisfied with the decisions you made and the choices you make and the results you got. And you can't let nobody else come in between that. I don't care how much feelings you have for that person, how much feelings that person try to throw on you. Oh, you're such a mean person, you're cold-hearted. You know what I'm saying? Like, at the end of the day, when it comes down to being like, my life is over, I'm looking back, I don't have no time left to go back and redo none of those steps. They don't care. They like, oh well, you know what I'm saying? They laugh at you and they look at you like, oh well. They always do that, man. I see it time and time again. People are careless. When you put yourself to the side for them, it's like, when it come down to it, it's like they don't care. They like, so you shouldn't have did it. They kind of spit in your face. So you always gotta put you and your end result and at first thought, you know, help people along the way. Don't be selfish, of course, but you got to know what fits in your recipe for success in your own life as well, because certain people don't have good intentions at all. Their intentions is to make your life miserable. They don't want help. Some people come in your life and they looking for that helping hand. They looking for your guidance. They looking for some wisdom to pick up on. But other people are not like that. You got to be able to pick and choose and see the difference, see through these people, because if not, you missing out on a lot of life, man. Like I say, seconds by second, you losing the opportunity to become the person you want to be. Every day is a new opportunity, but it's also one less day of your life that you living. You know what I'm saying? So today, I kind of chilled back. I didn't take today for what it was worth. I waited till tomorrow. Tomorrow, cool, I got a chance. I'm still alive, yes. I'm taking breaths, I'm ready now. But that's one less day. If I would have did it yesterday, I would have been a day ahead. You feel what I'm saying? So, words of wisdom for the day is, man, put yourself first. Keep your recipe for what you got, for your end destination, for your result that you see for your life first, and make sure you keep things in your life that's going according to that recipe or them instructions. Alright? So, Boss Land, no limits, no excuses, 6 shot, stay in tune with the movement. Purchase some songs, man. I'm gonna put my songs on my page for sale, so I need some fundraisers to build my movement, man, because my job and all my other stuff ain't not moving fast enough. So I get the support from my people, man. That's all I love, and I'm going to definitely give back, because Boss Land is bigger than me. So better ourselves, successfully learn, achieve, never discourage. Holla at your boy, 6 shot.